taking a minute to go through the keypad in general, as referenced in the quick startup guide, just to go through a few of the basic features of what the control pad can do. First is the time setting. This program would set the time of the day, as well as has different features as listed in the operational manual in regards to setting up the filtering process to include additional settings as well, which I would recommend referring to the operational guide. Next would be the program mode, which has multiple settings as well. Again, as listed in the quick reference guide, they have standard, economy, or sleep, and there's again additional information in both the startup guide and the operation manual. Operation systems, you have the feature of the light, which has multiple options. You have, of course, as a white light, you have the alternating colors, and similar features with the light as in a hot tub, that you can alternate through the colors, as well as leave it on one specific color if required. The next button would control the blower, so you can turn and operate the blower individually all by itself. The blower operates all the air jets in the bottom. There are 24 of the Durapearl floor jets included with that. The next would control the pump 1, which is the 1.5 horsepower, 2 horsepower, 2-speed unit, which operates 6 adjustable back massage jets, 4 adjustable rotating foot massage jets, 3 adjustable side mounted jets. Again, this is a 2 horsepower, 2-speed pump, and also all of the individual jets can be controlled simultaneously and completely shut off as well. The next Jets 2 would operate the 1.5 horsepower 1-speed, which operates 2 powerful back massage jets, the foot massage jets, and then 3 of the side mounted jets. And then also with these, they are programmable. The Jet 2 is on speed, as well as the blower.